Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this fan heater from Silvercrest. It is bladeless with LED mood light in 5 different colors and color changing mode. This product is only suitable for well insulated spaces or occasional use. With oscillation settings 30, 60, 90 and 120 degrees, speed settings from 1 to 20, timer function, 2000 watts power consumption, heat function, it is bladeless, I like that, with temperature control and fan function. That means you can use it and add the summer with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Now here at the front, since this fan it is bladeless, we have the air outlet and it can be rotated. At the front we have the display. Here it is the on-off button and the timer. The air speed button you can choose here. All the buttons are touch buttons. The function button, the rotation button, the button for the RGB lighting, the temperature button and the level temperature button. And of course we have the remote control. Pull this tape and enable the remote control. Inside it has a CR2025 battery and you can control this fan from the remote control, just sitting at your couch and control this fan. But if you want to control it from the main unit, on. After a few seconds the display it will switch off the speed. Maximum 20. Wow. The timer 15 minutes, 30, 45, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 hours it is the timer, and 0 again. And with the M button, maximum power, sleep mode, natural mode, and off. And with this button, now it is on hot mode. That's why we can see red the display, and by pressing again this button you can adjust the airflow speed, maximum it is 10. One. And with the other button you can control the temperature. Maximum 35. You can adjust the temperature from 5 to 35. I can hear in the click, it is the temperature sensor is starting, and we have the button for the RGB lighting. I like the RGB lighting. Definitely it looks cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. It is on 22 degrees Celsius, increasing the temperature. 32 degrees Celsius. Now in the room it is 22 degrees Celsius. The same it says and at the fan, at the display. When you are using the heat function it shows and the temperature of your room. And of course I can increase the fan, it is on level 2. Just to check the noise level, the microphone it is 2 meters away. Now it is on 10 maximum with RGB lighting, and rotate. Now 60 degrees. $90 degrees. And 120 degrees. Zero and 30 degrees again. So in 120 degrees is doing a larger rotation. And with the M button you can choose and the Eco mode. Off Eco mode. On again. Off. Now let's go at the cool mode. You can use this fan at the summer, that is very important. You can use it in 2 different times in the year for cooling and heating. With the decreasing and increasing button you can decrease and increase the airflow. The noise level, it is very acceptable. And of course the rotation, 60 degrees. Increasing the speed. $20, the maximum. I like that. Speed from 1 to 20. Definitely it will suit your needs for any requirements. And with the M button, full power, sleep mode, and the natural. Natural, it is very quiet. And off, 20 the speed. Now let's go at the heating mode again. Maximum 35 degrees Celsius. And here I have the power consumption right now at my home. It is 2.5 kilowatts. Very high, minus about 300 watts from other devices. We can see how is increasing and decreasing the kilowatts. That is a very high power consumption. I don't know if you like that. Let's decrease the temperature and see. Now it is on 24. And again, it doesn't matter because the temperature sensor, it is on. Let's decrease to 23. Now it stops the temperature sensor. And there it is, the power consumption. Right now it is 270 watts. minus the power consumption from all the other devices, 250 watts, so you know more or less how much is the power consumption for this device. Increasing again the temperature, starting, and there it is. That is a high power consumption. 32 degrees Celsius. So definitely this device is for small rooms, not like my room right now. It is about 35 square meters. Equip it with a powerful fan heater. It quickly warms up small to medium sized rooms. The fan distributes heat evenly, making it effective for on-demand warmth in specific areas. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to move from one room to another, allowing you to bring warmth wherever needed. Designed to operate quietly, it's suitable for use in bedrooms or workspaces where noise needs to be kept at a minimum. Ideal for those who need focused warmth in compact spaces, the LED light feature is a great touch for those who enjoy a soft glow in the rooms. This fan heater with LED light offers a compact and effective heating option with added lighting convenience. Whether you are looking to add a touch of coziness to your living space, need a handy heater for cooler nights, or to keep you cool in the summer, this unit provides efficient cooling, heating and a bit of ambience. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home gadget reviews, energy saving tips and smart home solutions. And hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.